Can you believe it? This luxury dabby swimming pool. It turned out that two brothers did not use any tools. It took 30 days to build by hand. February 30th, two brothers on a jungle rock. I got a design sketch. Negotiate. They think this is the villa of their dreams. Just do it. Incarnate as a prairie and start to impress. After pulling out enough holes, they bring in lots of free lumber, cut to the right length, and stand into the hole as the load-bearing owner of the house. Of course, it must be warned. Then the two of them built the framework. Every point must be firmly established. The two are indeed experienced drivers, skilled. There was no communication whatsoever, but tacit cooperation. After the first platform is completed, the two of them started building the roof. I have to say, these guys are awesome. If you think they are great too, you might as well like and support them. As time goes by, and pretty soon, a framework for styling was built. To have a place to sleep at night, the luxury queen bed must be arranged in place. Then the brothers chop bamboo slices into bamboo slices and then lay it on the frame of the house, piece by piece. You have to admire their physical strength, like two tireless machines. For so long, there was no sign of stopping. With the unremitting efforts of the brothers, the villa is finally covered with bamboo, and then they set their makeup in front of the house. Another rhythmic beating. Soon the stakes are arcing. Connect them horizontally. Form a guardrail. After laying bamboo slices, the two of them dug up in the middle. It was effortlessly dug out for swimming, the approximate of the pool, and they were hungry. Catch a big fish from the pond and grill them. Eat and drink. The two then expanded for convenience of entry and exit. The little brother first builds a small staircase. Big brother polishes the slide silky smooth, and when it was done, they dug deeper into the pool. Dig to a certain depth. To people add some awesome clay, stir in some licorice. Then apply it on the frame of the house, from day to night, from night to day. The outside, because the decoration inside is not in place yet. The brothers found bamboo slices again and laid them in pieces. Still the same operation. It's a dime. Then they carved lines on the bunk, filled to pillows. The big bed is instantly upgraded to a level in order to have a place to eat. Big brother got up against the wall, start building the fireplace. Little brother comes to the top of the pool, dig up the cistern. And so they split up, and they work together. Expansion work will be completed soon. Next up is the waterproofing of the pool. The brothers dug an ant nest. After a beating, join the fountain of life. You get a strong, durable wild cement. Then they brought stones, decorating around the pool. Pool interior. They use their little hands to wipe their buttocks. The cement runs dry for another night. Of course, the waterproofing of the cistern should also, to make the pool more beautiful. They used an ancestral recipe to make blue paint, painted in the pool. The last thing is irrigation. They made pipes out of bamboo, rafting water from the stream to the reservoir into the pool. Waiting for the water to fill up, the two dug up the turf villa and the surrounding area of the swimming pool. Unknowingly, it's dark again. The two brothers had a late supper on the fireplace. The pool didn't fill up until the next day. When they drank tea, they felt almost nothing. So around the pool, plant some more flowers and plants. Arrange a well-perforated water tank above the slide to keep the slide silky smooth. When all the work has been completed, the brothers can finally play happily. If you live in a house like the old irons, how long will you be able to stay?